The legacy of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is defined by its ability to bridge the gap between civil-urban commuting and the untamed spirit of the great outdoors through a chassis design that prioritizes both visibility and stability. This 2026 Toyota RAV4 embodies a rugged sophistication that refuses to compromise on utility while maintaining a footprint that remains agile enough for the narrowest city streets. When analyzing the physical presence of the 2026 Toyota RAV4, one cannot ignore the deliberate engineering behind its ground clearance and overall stance, which serves as the foundation for its versatile character. According to official technical specifications, the ground clearance for the 2026 Toyota RAV4 typically measures between 8.1 inches and 8.6 inches, depending on the specific trim level and wheel package selected. This elevation is a critical metric for a compact crossover because it allows the 2026 Toyota RAV4 to navigate over road debris, snowbanks, and moderate off-road obstacles without risking damage to the underbody or the sensitive components of the hybrid drivetrain. From a structural standpoint, the stance of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 has been meticulously tuned on the TNGA-K platform, which provides a lower center of gravity despite the generous ride height. This creates a visual profile that looks planted and confident, with a wide track width that enhances lateral stability during high-speed maneuvers or sudden lane changes. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 features a highly efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine integrated into the latest generation hybrid system. This powertrain produces a combined output of approximately 232 horsepower in the standard hybrid models, while the plug-in hybrid variant steps up the performance significantly to over 300 horsepower. Torque figures are equally impressive, with the internal combustion engine providing around 163 pound-feet of torque, which is supplemented instantly by the electric motors to ensure a responsive driving experience from standstill. The power is managed by an electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission, or ECVT, which has been optimized for the 2026 Toyota RAV4 to provide seamless acceleration without the traditional shift points of a gear-based automatic. Paper-based data suggests that the 0 to 100 km/h sprint is achieved in roughly 7.5 seconds for the standard hybrid, while the more powerful plug-in hybrid model can complete the same task in an estimated 5.8 seconds. This level of performance is supported by a suspension geometry consisting of MacPherson struts at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear, which works in harmony with the 8.6-inch ground clearance to absorb bumps while keeping body roll to a minimum. The stance is further accentuated by available 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels that fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the vehicle a purposeful and athletic look even when stationary. For those looking at practicality, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers a generous cargo volume of approximately 37.5 cubic feet behind the second row seats, which expands significantly when the rear bench is folded flat. The approach and departure angles are designed to complement the ground clearance, ensuring that steep driveways or forest trails do not result in bumper scrapes. User data and technical reviews indicate that the wider stance of this model year contributes to a more settled feeling on the highway compared to older generations of crossovers. The aerodynamic profile of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 also plays a role in its stance, featuring active grille shutters and underbody panels that manage airflow to improve fuel efficiency despite the taller ride height. Every inch of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 has been engineered to project a sense of readiness, whether it is parked in a modern driveway or traversing a gravel path. The combination of a 2.5-liter hybrid engine and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system ensures that the power is distributed effectively to all four wheels, maximizing traction in slippery conditions. In summary, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers a class-leading ground clearance of up to 8.6 inches and a wide, stable stance that perfectly supports its dual identity as a reliable family hauler and a capable adventure vehicle.